Good morning, students. I have done 50 short answers for out of these 50 bits, you will get 30 marks. Just you have to spend 1 minute for each and every short answer, and for totally 50 questions, you have to spend just 50 minutes. So I have done 50 videos. Then these questions will be useful for your external and lab external Viva also. Out of these 50 bits you will get 30 marks. So 5 short answer you will get, and out of these 50 bits you will get at least minimum 2 to 3 long answers. So totally you will get 30 marks. Just each and every day you just watch these 50 videos in your bus journey. 50 bits will be by hearted for you. Okay, if you feel this information is worthy and useful for you, in the sense, subscribe my channel and then refer to your friends also. Your friends studying some other colleges, you have to refer this channel for your friends also. They will also use this opportunity. Thank you, students, and all the best for your external exam. Out of 50 bits, we are going for first question. So that one is basic types of electrical elements. So sometimes you don't know what are the active elements and passive elements, in a sense. Even though you know the answer also, you will unable to answer that one in your external exam, because here basic electrical elements are two types. One is active elements, another one is passive elements. So active elements are voltage and current, and passive elements are resistance, inductance and capacitance. And especially we can call sometimes reactive elements, in a sense. Only reactive elements are inductor and capacitor, because these two elements are which stores the energy in electromagnetic field and electrostatic field, and it will return back the power whenever we can turn off the power supply also. Because of that, we can call these two elements are reactive elements. So you know the about and awareness on these basic elements, in the sense, then you will be very easy to write it. If any case the question will arrive, write about active elements, in the sense, you have to write it only about voltage and current. So definition of voltage and definition of current, that's enough. If the question will arrive passive elements, in the sense, you will be going to write resistance and inductance and capacitance. But you don't know what are the passive elements, in the sense, you know the answer about resistance, inductance and capacitance also, you will unable to present the answer. Okay, so this is the first question.